All right, so if you want to shut the water off to your house, there's typically two main ways that you want to do it. One is find the pipes either in your garage or outside of your home that are coming from the house running into the ground. You'll find a lever that looks like this. When it's parallel to the water line, that means that it is on and flowing. When you turn it a quarter turn either direction, when it's perpendicular, this means that the water is off and not flowing. So if you ever have an emergency and you can't find your valves, maybe in your bathroom, or you have a leak somewhere, this is going to be one of your first options that you should check. You should know where this is at all times before you get a leak. So if you don't, go into your garage or around outside of your house. Maybe it's your water heater. Oftentimes they are connected to a hose spigot. Look for this, and this is how you'll turn your water off. Slightly more advanced, but if you don't have one of those levers or you can't find a pipe, you can always go to the water main that is running to your house. Usually this is somewhere between your house and the street. You can get a pair of pliers or um, a wrench of some kind. And if you turn this right here, one quarter turn, that will also shut the water off to the house.